get approvals and financing for the project thanks to Design Sprint.
Why Design Sprint? Because this is 5-6 days only. There are few workshops, really, weeks turned into effective days. Whole team together from the beginning. We were together with you, including client with you. We are the same team, and it is very important because we integrate each other, we know each other, and then we can address a lot of problems during this workshop. This is very fast and agile. This is great alternative for long-term processes because you've got tested prototype, you've got fresh perspective, you know exactly it is right direction or it's not right direction. But from our experience during Design Sprint, a lot of ideas is totally great. And for your stakeholders plan, what is important to give them feedback? Saving time. On the 5th day, you've got confirmation that idea is okay, not okay. You save your money because well-prepared concept phase means less errors during development. And what's more, we've got the development engineer on the board on the Design Sprint workshops. You've got estimation and MVP because thanks the great prepared mockup, we need to, it is easier to estimate the cost, to estimate the MVP backlog and define the backlog for the future functionalities. And what's more, you've got a prototype, interactive prototype, and the report. So generally proven numbers, what was doing during this workshop, and generally you know exactly how your process or product will look like.